Welcome to the CATFLIX family. Have you ever wondered what goes through a cat's mind when something totally unexpected happens? Today, you're about to see reactions so dramatic, so priceless, and so unbelievably funny that even you will question what these little furballs were thinking. Cats always pretend to be calm, but deep inside, they're pure emotional chaos. One tiny noise, boom! One sudden movement, zip, one jump, and they enter full "what just happened" mode. In this video, you'll witness cats freezing mid-air, cats panicking over absolutely nothing, cats staring into the void like they just saw a ghost, and Oscar-level dramatic reactions. These moments are so unpredictable, you won't even blink, because every clip gets funnier than the last. Get ready to enter the chaotic universe of cat reactions. The best clips are coming up. Stay with me. Sit back, relax, because what you're about to see is beyond logic, beyond expectation, and 100% CATFLIX approved.
Can I have a snack?
No.
Can I please?
Oh my god.
All right, CATFLIX family.
Baby.
We're just getting started. Keep watching. The next moments are pure gold. If you're still here, that means you're ready for the real chaos. Because now, cats completely lose their minds. In the funniest way possible. Look at this one. A tiny noise in the background. And suddenly, it jumps like it's escaping a monster from another dimension. And this cat? Walking confidently. Trips over nothing. Pretends it didn't happen. Then slowly looks around, hoping nobody saw it. Some cats enter detective mode, sniffing everything like tiny investigators. Others activate zoomy mode, running like they're late for an important meeting. And some stare into space like they're questioning reality itself. These reactions are exactly why we love cats. Even when they understand nothing, they act like they understand everything. If you're laughing already, good. But trust me, the funniest moments are in the final section. Don't go anywhere. The legendary clips are coming up next. If you made it this far, you're officially part of the CATFLIX family. And I know you laughed at least once. So do me a favor, hit that like button and comment below, which cat reaction was your favorite? I read every single comment.
What's that?
And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We post daily chaos, cuteness, and cat comedy. Thank you for watching CATFLIX Family. Stay cute, stay curious, and remember, every cat has a story, and we're here to tell it. This is CATFLIX, where every cat story comes to life.
Wow.